Hello guys! Good morning! So we are here at Eden Nature Park and Resort, Davao. So kasi nag-spend kami ng holiday sa kapatid ng mama ni Dee sa Panabo City. So dumaan lang kami dito sa Davao para mag-lunch. So ayan. So samahan nyo kami as we celebrate our holiday here in Davao City. So if you are interested, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Sama ani! So kung ready na mo, tara, lakat na ta! So, ayan, papunta na kami for our lunch sa Vesta Restaurant. This restaurant specializes in Filipino cuisine and also they serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dito sa Eden Nature Park and Resort, Davao, meron silang 53 rooms. Arriving, leaving, check-in time 2 p.m. or anytime. Check-out time is noon. Also, this nature park, there are also restrictions related to our trip, which is check COVID-19 guidelines or restrictions. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito is yung mga front desk nila will greet guests on arrival. So, also required at check-in. Siyempre magbabayad tayo. They offer credit card, debit card, or cash deposit required for incidental charges. So government issued photo ID may be required. For minimum check-in age is 18. So no cribs for infant beds. Pets are also not allowed. For parking, free on-site self-parking. And the Eden Nature Park is also a smoke-free property. So there are also hotel with 53 rooms. Meron silang restaurant, coffee shop, cafe, room service, And so ayan, papasok kami ni Di sa bamboo maze, kami lang dalawa, no? So bamboo maze are for those who want to tune in to their inner sense of curiosity to meditate, learn, and reconnect to their sense of fun. So medyo challenging siya, diba? Parang maliligaw to yata kaming dalawa. So actually guys, share ko lang, it's our second time na pumunta dito sa Eden kasi our second anniversary dito namin celebrate, pero hindi kami pumasok dito sa bamboo maze. And this time papasok na kami. So getting lost allow us for self-discovery and each turn and fulfillment as we find our way. A must try in Eden. Ayan, natapos na din. Pabalik na kami. Artista yarn. Naka-shades yan. Blind yan. Since ayan, haba-habang lakaran ito. So share ko lang nung second anniversary namin, that was our first time here in Eden. So after namin dito ni D, nung second anniversary namin is pumunta kami ng Paradise Island Park and Beach Resort at Samal Island. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang resort dito sa Samal. No? The resort is one of the best resort in Samal. So we visited the Paradise Island 2 years ago with D. So they have a mini zoo that everyone can enjoy, especially the kids. The view of the resort was so relaxing. Service of the resort was too impressive also. Kasi merong mag-guide sa inyo, no? Meron kayong mga dalang bagahe. Tapos yung mga staff doon is sila yung magdadala ng mga luggage ninyo papunta sa room ninyo. And we spend one night there. And ayun, we enjoy our vacation, our anniversary doon sa Samal Island. And yun din yung first time kong sumakay ng barge. And it was amazing dahil kasama ko pa ang aking D, no? Sa lahat ng mga first na pinupuntahan namin. So, ayun, the restaurant bar, they also serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, fruits, drinks, and ice cream. You will not run out of activities to do in that Paradise Resort. And yung room pala doon is nagre-range ng 3,000 to 5,000 based on average age per standard room. Yung standard room nila nagre-range ng 3,500 to 5K, I think. So that's it, share ko lang. So after this picture is babalik na kami sa Vesta Restaurant dahil we were having our lunch. So, thank you guys sa pagsama sa amin and as we celebrate our holiday here at Eden, and we are grateful that you are kanang namo diha, kauban namo, no? Kanang English kay ko no, pero laban lang ta for the vlog. So, ayan, I love Eden. No, meron din akong i-share sa inyo. Dapat nung third anniversary namin ni D, nakapag-decision namin na doon sa Cebu City namin is celebrate ang aming third anniversary. So ayun, nakapag-book na kami. So sa kasamaan, no, sa kasamaang palad, hindi natuloy because of the pandemic. yun lang, it's very sad. So since hindi siya natuloy, binook namin siya for this 2022 na anniversary namin, which is our 4th anniversary. And I think hindi rin siya matutuloy kasi nga hindi pa ako nakapag-vaccine. Si D is nakapag-vaccine na first dose. Kasi nga, 'di ba, nakakatakot kasi there are some parang hindi angay, no? What's the term para sa dili nakauyon sa ang lawas nila sa dosage, and there pass away. No, it's very sad, and RIP to those souls, no. So ayun, I think magpupunta kami, kung hindi matutuloy, magpupunta kami sa Kapatagan or sa Bukidnon. Malalaman lang yan. And ayan, pupunta na kami sa Vesta Restaurant. We will be having our lunch, and after that is uuwi na kami ng Jensen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, at kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon all to get new video updates. Thank you, God bless, and stay safe.